Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can make Augmented Reality 3D text app that creates 3D text in your environment. You around the environment. Okay, first of all, we need to start a new project, but before that, I would like to show you how gonna be output. This one use your text you type in as a 3D in environment as augmented reality, and change material as well. For example, we type flying text, so it's gonna make this flying text as whenever we say update and put it in a random location in environment. Okay, so let's go ahead and start our project. So I'm gonna make it and name it as is iOS Swift ARKit 3D text. So file, new project. You can choose augmented reality app, or you can say no, I want to start as a single view. Let's do it as a single view app because it's good enough for this project. Okay, so I name it iOS Swift ARKit 3D text. Okay, and yeah, this is good enough. When I start to find now iOS Swift, it says, oh, you have this already open, so let me close it. And then, so yeah, I have this one open which I made before, so I close this project. Now I go file, new project, single view app. Yeah, now I only get warning that you want to replace it. I said yes, go ahead and replace it. Okay, so first of all, let me copy some pictures here. These are some material, actually texture of different material for my text, covering the text. Here you can see jean or ladder or plate or stainless wood, all of this. Okay, so we'll go to main storyboard to start to make our user interface. So in our main storyboard, we need a text field. Okay, I put the text field here on top. Also, we need a button. Okay, we need ARSCNView view as well. Okay, so I put this ARSCVN to cover all around. Then so this one I make font a little bit, yeah, you get whole space. This one sitting here. and say update. Color yellow, background blue, and this one come and stick here. So yep, yep. So I start from this one. I say okay, this one I add constraint to be fixed, to all three sides. Then we have top side. So for top side, I choose this one, and I say right side fixed, and this one I say left side fixed. Okay, and then I'm gonna make I'm gonna make this one fixed to be wide and high fix, and this one no, I just make it to be high 40, and then I'm gonna say this one stick to this with 0. Okay, so it's gonna stick to this. Okay, now we have only top side, so I'm gonna drag and control here to top safe area, same size it is, and this one as well, vertical space same. This one, sit in the top side area same, and this one vertical space. So I believe that now we are good. Just I need to connect this to my controller. So I open assistant editor, and from here I control drag here and say button action, or let's say update action. Okay, and this one I'm gonna say input text. Okay, so we can close this, jump to view controller, and in our view controller we don't need this for now, and so I'm gonna same things that when you start one augmented reality with Xcode, I'm gonna do the same thing. So there is automatically ARSCNView. It's not gonna offer it to me. Why? Because here I need to import ARKit and also import SceneKit. Okay, so now when I'm going for SceneView Delegate, now it's offered to me. Okay, so for now we are good. Also, I see here I forgot to connect my scene view. Okay, so I call this one and control drag here, and I name it SCNView. Yep, and say ARSCNView. Type it. Let's type. Okay, so I close this. Come to view controller. Okay. Now in viewWillAppear, we just need to say SCNView.Delegate equal self. Also I say SCNView dot. Okay, so I want to add one 3D text, but first I need to write a class, create a extension for that. So I come here and I say new folder, new group as a folder. I name this one helper, and inside this I create new file. This will be Scratch Swift file, so I just name it extension. So I put all of my extensions in this file. So here I say, okay, UIKit imports ARKit and import SceneKit. Okay, now I say extension what? ARSCNView. I'm gonna extend this superclass. Okay, so what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add some function in there. I have some of them. Yeah. So let's say the first function I'm gonna add, I say function, I name it removeNode by name, and here I say node name from type string, no output. Okay, so here I say, okay, self dot scene dot root node dot enumerateChildNodes, and here will be node, and this one underline. Yeah, in one tutorial we'll talk about underline, what is it, and okay, and here I say if, yeah, in, that means that I make this one option from an array. So I say in if you can create a node dot name equal node name. We get it from the function signature. Okay, here I said, okay, that node remove from parent. Okay, so here with this function easily we can remove all nodes by their name. Okay, so here I'm gonna say function, let's see, function, I say add 3D text, and here I say show text type string. Also here I say node name type a string, but this one by default I give it a name, number text. Okay, and there won't be any output. Okay, here I said the let index equal show text if it's empty, if it's empty, you can put this value there, text not available, and otherwise show text. They were, you know, I just did to show you how we can use one 3D meme for handling input, but here I can give initial. So when it's nothing, then it's gonna put that initial, you know, like this one. So yeah, let's come here. We say let text equal SCNText, SCNText, and yes, so this one I want something that gets a string. Yeah, this one gets a string, and which I give it in text, and also deep gonna be 0.9. We can do something else and try it out. Okay, let material. Okay, so now we're gonna give it material. So material equal SCNMaterial from UIImage, name the string, and this is string. Okay, for this string, you know, I'm gonna add a random function to create my material. You know, I used some pre-typed this function. You can find them in you know, find source code in comment as a link to my GitHub. So yeah, here I just say, okay, instead of a string, put this random text material. So it's, you can see how is it, you know, here we make a random position and also random material. So we declare an array, which is all of our pictures name, and then here randomly we say, okay, from you know, how many you know, elements we have in this array, just choose one of them and give it as an output string. So that one sitting here. Yeah, this random material need to have this one to execute. Okay, so I say text dot materials equal array of this material. Okay, and here I said, okay, I create a node, and this node would be an assist here, and you know, SCNNode instance from SCNNode, and here I said let x pose equal, yes, random, not random material, random position, which get a lar, and from minus 0.5 to upper 0.5. So y goes as well. Okay, here now I'm gonna say, okay, my node dot this one should be capital N. So my node dot position, as soon as it's not working, it gives you offer of the available functions that you need to review and make sure that fix it, because sometimes there is something wrong. Okay, so SCN vector 3, and this one say x 0.02 y 0.02 and z 0.02. This is going to be our position. Also, I said node scale. For a scale, yeah, so scale gonna be this, but for position we use expose and we pose for that, and for deep -1. Okay, and the only things else we need to do is say, okay, geometric, so node dot geometry equal text. What is text? Here in top we say we declare text. Okay, and then we say node dot name equal node name. We get it from here. Okay, so now I just need to add this to my scene. So self dot scene dot root node dot addChildNode. And self dot automatically lighting. Yes, give it some light to be visible. Okay, also you know, I just say write something here, but I make it comment. You can just give you an idea. So here we say allowCameraControl true. Yeah, if you're doing this when user tap on a screen, then they can zoom, but it's not 3D, so I'm gonna make it comment here. Okay, so the only things I need to fix is here. Yeah, here, you know, I made a mistake because I says material equal SCNMaterial. Yeah, I forgot here to go next line, and here say material dot diffuse dot double F diffuse dot contents equal this. Okay, here so and parentheses open and close. So I believe we're done with this extension. So we're going back to our view controller. So here when I say dot, then I have this add 3D text offer here. So I say show text. So which text you want to say? I say, yeah, get this text from self dot input text the text. Okay, so if it's empty, then it's use that initial value that we told. Okay, so also I need to write view did appear, view will appear, sorry, view will appear. So I will override this function, and in this function, first of all, I said super dot view will appear animated. Then I say let configuration equal ARWorldTrackingConfiguration, and here I just say SceneView dot session dot run. Yeah, this configuration I just set on top, and yeah, no option. Okay, and also I write view will disappear. Okay, so for view will disappear, I want you to SCNView dot session dot pause. So pause it until I come back. Okay. Okay, so here now I have very easy job because I made everything in extension. So here I said, okay, remove node by name. So remove if you find any node by name number text, and add new one. So you get text from self dot input text dot text, but you can give it node name. You know what, I want to change node name. I don't like number text, so I said flying text. Okay, so I make this one flying text, and also in my extension my initial value flying text. Okay, and okay, so let's try to see if it's work or not, because we have three session function to declare. Now let's fix this one. Yeah, now I don't want to go to our from class because I have already this 9.7-inch pad open. Okay, so let's see. There's something wrong. Let me stop it. My computer this time crashed. So yeah, as you know, this is launch screen storyboard, which is empty now. Okay, so now we have update.scene. Here you go. You will see text. You know, if in real tablet, you can move your tablet, to find text. It's really fun. Or if you want to type anything new, for example, here's a flying text. Where are you? And yeah, you will see that it's gonna be there. Okay, let me just play with it a little bit. I make this -1 to -3. Stop and run again. I won't give you idea because when you say -3 means that go far, and it takes 3 meters in deep, far actually from. Yeah, you see it's smaller because it's far, so you need to walk toward text in Augmented Reality. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, ask in comment. I'll be more than happy to help. I wish you best.